your Lottie. So today's video is on the Lush Shower Jellies. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so I brought 3 shower jellies from Lush when I did my Lush haul. So I thought I would just update you guys on what I thought of them or do think of them. So first of all, let's just have a look at the flavors. So my least favorite has to be Whoosh. The smell of this one is quite strong, but it wasn't like a scent that is like my favorite scent. So I think the formula is the same with all of them. Really, it's just the scent that's different. So this was my least favorite scent out of the 3. My second one was Conga, the pink one, this. And my favorite one of the 3 was definitely the Twilight one. Again, it's got like lavender in it, so I absolutely love lavender, and this is what I really wanted to use most of my products for, was to help me relax and calm down, have, you know, nice relaxing shower or bath to be able to help me sleep. So Twilight was definitely by far my most favorite. Now, as you can see, I've still got heaps left in each of them. So what I did, I will add a clip in of me doing it. Okay, so hopefully I just popped in the clip of what I did. So basically what I did was I popped them in the freezer for about 2 hours for each of them, and then I pulled them all out and I cut them up into 6 pieces. And then basically when I had my showers, I pulled one piece out and popped it on top of it in the shower before I actually started the shower, so that I could try it and not lose the rest of the products. Now, first comment on it, I did not need 6 pieces. I could have easily turned that into 12 pieces or even a little bit more. One of the pieces, my husband did try them as well, and one of the pieces like I was able to use, he was able to use, and still over half of it's left. So they're just sitting in my shower at the moment. I've only used like literally 1 piece on each of them so far, because they did last a lot longer than what I thought. Now, my second comment on them was that they weren't as foamy as I thought they were going to be. I felt like as though they didn't really suds up enough. So wasn't too impressed with that part, because I wanted it a little bit more sudsy, but then I guess if it was a little bit more sudsy, you wouldn't get as much use out of it. It was still really nice. It left my skin nice and soft. I've got sensitive skin and I had no reactions to them, so I was very happy with that. And it was quite nice, like as though I was having a bath. I think it needed a little bit more suds for me to enjoy it more, but yeah, as I was saying, it definitely leaves my skin nice and soft, and it smells really nice. It was definitely relaxing to a point. But then my biggest pet peeve with it, I loved them, don't get me wrong, but I think they were a bit gimmicky. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because the amount of times I dropped that thing on the floor, it is so slippery. It honestly is like jelly. I literally dropped it on the floor about half a dozen times every time I used one of these. So that I didn't like the fact in that, because then it wasn't as relaxing because I had to keep bending down and picking it back up, and then finish, you know, like scrubbing myself, and then I drop it again, and then I have to go and get it again, and then, you know, return to scrubbing again. So that was my only real downside with them that I didn't like, and due to that factor I won't purchase these again, unfortunately. They are nice, I love them. If you're okay with them dropping on the floor and picking them back up to keep using them, then these are your products. Like these are absolutely lovely. They smell really nice, they are really relaxing. They leave your skin really soft. It's literally just that they kept falling on the ground, and that was really frustrating because it wasn't just a one-time thing, it was a multiple time thing. And yeah, the same thing happened with my husband as well when he tried them. Same thing, he was dropping it on the ground as well in the shower. So yeah, that wasn't an enjoyable part of it. So I definitely prefer like the soap bars versus the jelly if I'm in the shower, because at least the soap bars stay in place and they suds up a lot more, so you don't have to work as hard with them. Whereas yeah, these you had to work a little bit harder to be able to get it to suds up, and yeah, then they kept dropping on the ground. So yeah, I think I will definitely stick with my nighttime bath bombs and yeah, just like soap bars and things like that. So I haven't tried the oils yet. So when I do, I will update you on those. And I haven't tried the actual soap bar from Lush that they gave me, the little sample one. I haven't tried that one yet either. So we'll keep you updated on that one as well. So the only products I had tried so far were the 2 bath bombs and the 3 shower jellies. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it was informative for you. If you did like it, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. It really helps me out. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. That also really helps me out. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.